Let's make triangular clasps together. Take 3 to 4 inch 22 gauge or 0.7 mm wire and straight it. Let's see why you use the triangular clasp. After straightening the wire, hold the end of the wire with Adam's plier and make a 45-degree sharp bend. As you can see, I have made a small bend at the end of the wire. Similarly, you have to. Sorry for my voice, guys. I'm getting colder, so that's why my voice is not good. Okay. Next, let's proceed to the next step. Make another 45-degree bend so that it becomes a small triangle. As you can see, a small triangle is formed, and adapt this triangle into the interdental area of the premolars. You have to adapt it in between the interdental area of two premolars. Now mark the point close to the triangle so that we can give the another bend. Now, by holding the Adam's plier firmly at the close to the triangle, make a sharp 90-degree bend occlusally. Okay, you have to observe it very carefully. In which point I am giving the bend, in which direction I am giving the bend. Okay. Now again try to adapt the wire into the cast. After adaptation and adjustments, you have to mark the point where I have to give another bend. Look very carefully in which point I am marking the point. The bend should be at the middle third of the tooth. Okay. Now hold the Adam's plier firmly into the marked point and make a sharp 90-degree bend distally from the marked point. Look very carefully in which direction I am making the bend, in which direction I am holding the plier. Don't make mistake. After making the bend, the wire should be looking like this, and you have to adapt it into the premolars, in between two premolars. Okay. Now the next step will be very difficult. Okay, little bit difficult, but don't worry. Observe it very carefully and look how I am doing. So hold the universal plier at the retentive arm and bend it in such a way that it adapts into the embrasure of the two premolars. As you can see, I have made a bend and it adapts perfectly into the embrasure of two premolars. Now mark the point for palatal bend and cut the extra wire if required. Okay. So I hope you have completed these steps. This is not difficult. If you look very carefully, you can make a triangular clasp. This is very easy. Okay, if you have come over these steps, please like the video and please subscribe the channel. I have uploaded a lot of videos. Okay, anyway, let's make adaptation and go for some needful adjustments if required. Okay, next you have to make a retentive tag. Okay, I hope you know how to make retentive tag. Hold the plier in your plier at the end of the retentive arm and make a round structure so that it become retentive tag. The purpose of retentive tag is it will not irritate the palate. Okay. So this is how a triangular clasp is made. Okay, you can see now that this is a very good adaptations over the embrasure area retentive tag. You see, so this is the complete procedure of triangular clasp. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, bye bye.